Still trying to decide which air fryer toaster oven is actually worth buying? With so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best air fryer toaster ovens that deliver excellent cooking performance, useful features, and great value. Stay tuned to discover the perfect model for your kitchen, cooking style, and budget. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Oven. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large Air Fryer Toaster Oven is built for users who need space, power, and versatility in one appliance. With a large 26-quart capacity, it easily handles family-sized meals and allows you to cook multiple dishes at once without hassle. The French door design adds a premium touch while making access smooth and convenient during cooking. It offers 24 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, toast, slow cook, and dehydrate. This means you can prepare a wide variety of meals without needing separate appliances. The digital control panel is simple to use and allows precise adjustments for time and temperature. The oven includes 7 useful accessories, giving flexibility for different cooking styles. Its powerful heating system ensures even heat distribution and delivers crispy, well-cooked results every time. The stainless steel finish adds durability and a modern look to your kitchen setup. Overall, this oven is ideal for users who want a high-capacity, feature-rich, and all-in-one cooking solution for everyday use at home. Number 2. Ninja SP151 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Ninja SP151 Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a powerful and space-saving appliance designed for modern kitchens. One of its standout features is the flip-up design, which allows you to store it vertically when not in use, saving valuable counter space. This makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or limited spaces. It features 8-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, bake, broil, toast, and more using one appliance. With 1,800 watts of power, it ensures fast preheating and efficient cooking performance, helping you prepare meals quickly and easily. The oven comes with essential accessories such as an air fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack, and crumb tray, making cooking and cleaning simple. The controls are user-friendly and easy to operate, even for beginners. It heats evenly and provides crispy, well-cooked food every time. The stainless steel design adds a sleek and modern look to your kitchen. Overall, this oven is perfect for users who want a compact, efficient, and high-performance cooking appliance for daily use. Number 3. Cuisinart TOA 70 NAS Air Fryer Oven. The Cuisinart TOA 70 NAS Air Fryer Oven is a reliable and efficient appliance designed for everyday cooking needs. With 1,800 watts of power and 8-in-1 functionality, it allows you to air fry, bake, broil, toast, and warm food easily in one compact unit. Its 0.6 cubic foot capacity makes it suitable for small to medium-sized households, providing enough space for daily meals without taking up too much room. The convection feature ensures even heat distribution, resulting in properly cooked and crispy food every time. The oven includes a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off, adding convenience and safety during cooking. The control knobs are simple and allow precise adjustments without confusion. It comes with useful accessories like an air fry basket and baking tray, making it versatile for different cooking styles. The stainless steel exterior ensures durability and a clean, modern appearance. Overall, this appliance is ideal for users who want a dependable, easy-to-use, and efficient air fryer oven for regular home cooking. Number 4. Our Place Wonder Oven. The Our Place Wonder Oven is a compact and stylish air fryer toaster oven designed for smaller kitchens and limited spaces. With a 13-quart capacity, it offers a good balance between size and performance while saving valuable counter space. It features 6-in-1 functionality, including toast, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and steam. The steam function is a unique addition that helps retain moisture and improve the texture of food during cooking. The oven comes with a basket, rack, pan, and tray, allowing flexibility for different cooking needs. Despite its compact size, it delivers consistent and efficient heating for even cooking results. The controls are simple and easy to use, making it suitable for beginners. Its modern and attractive design adds a stylish touch to any kitchen. Overall, this oven is perfect for users who want a compact, multifunctional, and visually appealing appliance for everyday cooking at home. Number 5. Midea Flexify French Door Air Fryer Oven. The Midea Flexify French Door Air Fryer Oven is designed for users who need high performance and large cooking capacity. With a spacious 26.4-quart interior, it easily handles big meals and multiple dishes at the same time. The French door design provides convenient access and enhances usability. It offers 10-in-1 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, and toast. The Flexify technology allows faster cooking while using significantly less oil, making meals healthier and more efficient to prepare. The powerful heating system ensures even heat distribution and delivers crispy, well-cooked results every time. The control panel is user-friendly, allowing easy adjustments for time and temperature. Its stainless steel construction provides durability and a premium look. The interior space is well designed to fit different trays and racks comfortably. Overall, this oven is ideal for users who want a large, efficient, and versatile appliance for everyday cooking needs at home. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.